got some dinner and got the diff finished up. Holy shit, dude! Oh. Alright, what's going on, everyone? Today's Friday. I'm going over to Rush Customs today, and I'm gonna help my buddy Johnny work on his SC300. He just picked it up recently, and it's a big turbo build. And I think today we're swapping out the diff in it. So just gonna run over there, see what's going on, see who's there, and should be a pretty fun day. So quick update on the vehicles. M3 is serving its job, being a great daily so far. I took it up to the mountains last weekend, and unfortunately, gas cap decided it did not want to exist anymore and flew off while I was up there. So I have another one of those coming. But other than that, M3 is treating me great. Recently installed this carbon fiber steering wheel on it. Looking good. I love this thing. And then in terms of the bike, this has been a probably 2-month-long project now. Making another video on this, basically just the process of the rebuild. But this thing, I believe, is fully running now. Last ride I took it out on, I went up towards Kennesaw Mountain with a few of my buddies. It was running great, flawlessly. I rode it pretty hard on this mountain road, and then when I stopped to wait for my buddies, the bike just died. So once the bike was dead, I had to figure out how to get it home. It wasn't a battery or anything, so I ended up having to leave it there that night. And I had my buddy Dell pick me up the next day, and we went and got the bike with his Jeep and trailered it home, and it ended up being the fuel pump. So fuel pump on this bike has now been swapped. So hopefully that was just the issue. I'm gonna get some POV riding videos soon, and we'll get to testing. So for now, 2 Rush Customs. Why, hello. Ugh. So this is my buddy Johnny's E92 M3. This shit's so clean. These two together, such a dope lineup. And then we got the Ben squad. Hey. All right, let's see the SC journey. Here she is. Big turbo 2J. What were you testing?
Oh, he just took me. I hadn't been in this car yet, so he took me for a ride. But I guess one of this clamp down here broke. Does
it have a boost leak or something?
No, this thing kept coming off, or like the clamps kept. I think the one down here is the first one that did it, and then I guess this one did the second time. But he said he just broke the clamp.
Oh shit. I mean, you definitely will have a boost leak if it's
Oh yeah, it was definitely a boost leak.
the clamp right there.
We got one solid pull and
it's quick, huh?
Experienced 700 horsepower. That was pretty insane.
We doing the diff today?
Yeah.
Oh shit. SC is on the lift. We just dropped the axle back exhaust system over here. And this is the new diff we're throwing in. So, this is a diff out of a Supra, right, Johnny? Huh? This is a Supra diff?
Yeah, LSD.
LSD Supra diff, and this is the stock one. So this is open stock SC300 differential. So with this amount of power, LSD is definitely a good thing to have. Show you guys upgraded drive shaft, Viper transmission, all of the goodies under here. All right, time to drop this shit. Diff fluid has just been drained. We took out these 5 bolts here. Next we have to get the bolts to the drive shaft itself. And then the diff bushings back here. And we should be able to drop her down. We got the drive shaft disconnected there. This is just an adapter going to the trans. But we dropped the drive shaft, which is over here now. Look how beefy this thing is. It's so thick. That's crazy. This can handle some power. Now, working on getting the actual diff out. There's one bolt here, one bolt here, and then we have these mounting to the bushings back here, and we should be able to drop the diff down. We got the diff drop down. So here is the stock diff for the SC300, and there's the Supra diff. I mean, they're pretty similar. This one's a little bit beefier, and of course it's an LSD, but they don't look all that different. So now we just have to swap over this adapter to this differential and get this one back up in there. LSD is in. Putting the last few bolts connecting the drive shaft to the diff, and we just gotta throw on the exhaust. And this shit is ready to do burnouts. Really? Already?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Puts the power down now. Oh my god. Bro, that's a huge difference than with the open diff.
Yeah.
Holy shit. It just blew the tires off. It didn't do that before. Oh my. shit, dude. Alright, so that's a wrap for the SC300 for today. The LSD definitely did its job. This thing's a burnout monster now. I don't know if you guys could see much because it's pretty dark out, but this thing, it's a burnout monster. It definitely handles and puts the power down way better than with the open diff, so I'm glad we did that. And the install was actually pretty easy. It went very well, no strip bolts or anything, so pretty happy with it. Yeah, this is my first time ever vlogging, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Probably be making some more videos soon, so I'll catch you guys around. Later.